Hello everyone and welcome to our Rilakkuma apartment! Yay! My husband and I, we are big fans of Rilakkuma, and for sure our apartment has a lot of Rilakkuma stuff inside. And in this short video I want to show you around in our apartment with all the Rilakkuma goods, and I hope you have fun with it. So let's go! So first, let's take a look around our living room. Here we have our wedding corner where Rilakkuma is present as well. We have these cute wedding Rilakkumas, and for sure also the Japanese style with the kimono. And they are pretty nice and I really love them, and this is one of our main highlights of the apartment, the wedding area. And here it goes on with the Rilakkuma goods. Well, so cute. We are having a cat, and that's why we want to save our TV, and we put a blanket on it if we don't use it. And for sure our table is filled with Rilakkuma goods too. Rilakkuma calendar, Rilakkuma dolls, Rilakkuma notebooks or notepads where you can get really nice paper from. It's everywhere Rilakkuma, it's so nice. Even my phone has a Rilakkuma phone case. Let's have a drink, Rilakkuma time. I'm a woman and I have a lot of bags for sure. Most of them are Rilakkuma bags too. And I also love my Rilakkuma backpack, it's really so nice. And what else to expect? My purse is also Rilakkuma style and I really love it. And we go on, if you have a drink, let's use some Rilakkuma bottle covers, which are pretty nice, and I think I have at least 20 different designs of them, so I can use different style all the time. Time to relax. We have uncountable cushions and blankets of Rilakkuma, which we are trying to use, and for sure our tissue box is Rilakkuma too. One more of our top spots inside our apartment is our Rilakkuma window, which is filled with dolls, and I really love it. From here we go to my little makeup corner. I have some insect spray, a small jewelry box, and for sure a cushion to sit down. It's all Rilakkuma style. I even have a small mirror, also with Rilakkuma cat design, and it's so cute, isn't it? Let's take a look outside. I washed my towels today, and here you can see some of our Rilakkuma towels for sure. We have a lot of these, and we're all so lovely. We also just bought this one. It's about insects that way don't come here, and I'm really wondering if it's working. We're gonna try it out this summer. For sure we are also collecting the Rilakkuma comic books, and we are big fans of the McDonald's collaboration, and every time new figures are released we are trying to collect most of them. They are so lovely. I also have a Rilakkuma bottle collection because lately some drinks were released in Rilakkuma style. And we're so lovely. I still have some more, but I don't have enough space to put them up. I still have to think about how to do it. Our next spot is the kitchen and there's a lot to see where, so let's go and take a look inside. I really love some of our kitchen stuff, like this one to boil water and our toaster which has Rilakkuma design on it. It is really lovely. For sure we are also using a Rilakkuma towel here. And then let's open our small Rilakkuma World. We have some nice glass cups of Rilakkuma, for sure some tumblers and many Rilakkuma cups. I especially love this small teapot which is so lovely from the Alice release. And yeah, back where you also can see the cup for it. And for sure we also have a lot of small plates. These are for soy sauce, Rilakkuma and Kiroitori design, and also some small plates which we got at the Ichiban Kuchi lottery. And we also have some bigger bowls and rice bowls, and for sure some very cute plates. And I really love these from Mr. Donuts, where it's so lovely. And for sure also don't forget about the spoons and the chopsticks. We also have Rilakkuma design here. And when we go on, we have small boxes, we have shapes to make chocolate or ice cubes, and for sure we can make Rilakkuma cake. So everything is ready for a Rilakkuma party. Some more kitchen highlights. We also have a Rilakkuma pan. We even have a Rilakkuma kettle. And we have a Nagashi Somen gadget, which is pretty nice. And one of my highlights is this kakegori machine. So you can make the nice shaped ice by yourself at home. And yeah, it's so lovely. Are you already wondering how we can design our toilet and Rilakkuma design? It's actually quite easy and we have some nice things to see there, so let's take a look. And our bathroom too has some stuff of Rilakkuma to see. First, the bath mats on the floor, and we are using Rilakkuma cups for brushing our teeth. Hi! And as I told you before, we are having lots of Rilakkuma towels, and it's really nice to use them. Last but not least, let's take a look inside our bedroom where we put this lovely Rilakkuma kimono pattern on it. It's so cute. So let's go in. Ta-da! Here we have the complete Rilakkuma style cushions, blankets, everything you need. And also still some stuff inside the window because the other window is full. It's so great to sleep here if you are a Rilakkuma lover. Oh no, it's getting time to go to work now, so let's finish up with my Rilakkuma video. That's what I wanted to show you. This is our Rilakkuma apartment located in Tokyo, and I really hope you enjoyed my small video. We are planning to get more and more stuff of Rilakkuma soon, so maybe I'm gonna do one more of this video in the future, maybe in 2 or 3 years, when our whole apartment became a Rilakkuma world. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me a thumbs up and leave some comments down below. What is your favorite character? How would you like to design your apartment? That's it for now. If you don't follow my channel, I would be very happy if you subscribe to it now, and we see us next time. See you. Bye bye. Do you like Rilakkuma too? Yes? Do you like it?